Welcome, crypto enthusiasts, to our comprehensive comparison between Cardano and Ethereum. In this video, we will delve into the similarities, differences, and potential implications of these two prominent blockchain platforms. Cardano and Ethereum have both made significant contributions to the world of decentralized applications and smart contracts. Join us as we explore their features, scalability, governance models, and the impact they are having on the blockchain industry. 2. Understanding Cardano. Before we dive into the comparison, let's understand what Cardano is all about. Cardano is a blockchain platform that aims to provide a secure and scalable infrastructure for the development of decentralized applications and smart contracts. It was founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, and has gained significant attention in recent years. Cardano's unique selling proposition lies in its scientific approach to blockchain development, incorporating peer-reviewed research and formal methods to ensure high levels of security and reliability. 3. Understanding Ethereum. Ethereum, on the other hand, needs no introduction. It is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and has been the pioneer in the world of smart contracts and decentralized applications. Founded by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum introduced the concept of programmable blockchain, enabling developers to build applications that run exactly as programmed, without the possibility of downtime, censorship, or third-party interference. Ethereum's native currency, ETH, plays a vital role in powering transactions and executing smart contracts on the platform. 4. Scalability. Scalability is a critical factor in determining the long-term success and adoption of any blockchain platform. Both Cardano and Ethereum have recognized the need for scalability improvements. Ethereum has been working on transitioning from its current proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism to a proof-of-stake polonium 2 sulfide mechanism with Ethereum 2.0. This upgrade aims to significantly improve transaction throughput and reduce fees. Cardano, on the other hand, has taken a unique approach with its multi-layered blockchain architecture, which separates the settlement layer, Cardano settlement layer, from the computation layer, Cardano computational layer. This design allows for better scalability and facilitates future upgrades without disrupting the core blockchain. 5. Smart contracts and development ecosystem. Smart contracts are the backbone of decentralized applications, and the development ecosystem surrounding them is crucial. Ethereum has established itself as the go-to platform for decentralized applications, with a robust ecosystem of developers, tools, and frameworks. Its programming language, Solidity, is widely used for writing smart contracts. Ethereum's extensive network effect and first-mover advantage have contributed to its dominance in this space. Cardano, however, is rapidly expanding its development ecosystem with the introduction of Plutus, a programming language that allows developers to write smart contracts using Haskell, a functional programming language known for its robustness and mathematical foundations. Cardano's focus on formal verification and security adds an additional layer of reliability to smart contracts developed on its platform. 6. Governance and decentralization. Governance and decentralization are key aspects of blockchain platforms. Ethereum is currently undergoing a transition from a more centralized governance model to a decentralized one. Ethereum Improvement Proposals, EIPs, allow the community to propose and discuss upgrades to the network, with decisions ultimately made by Ethereum stakeholders. Cardano takes a different approach with its blockchain governance. It emphasizes on-chain governance through a decentralized voting system, where ADA token holders can participate in decision-making processes. This approach aims to ensure a more inclusive and democratic governance structure. 7. Interoperability and cross-chain compatibility. Interoperability has become increasingly important as the blockchain industry evolves. Both Cardano and Ethereum recognize the need to collaborate and communicate with other blockchain networks. Ethereum has seen the development of projects like Polkadot and Cosmos, which aim to facilitate interoperability between different blockchains. Cardano, on the other hand, is working on its own interoperability solution called the Cross-Chain Communication Standard, CCCS. This standard aims to enable seamless communication and data transfer between Cardano and other blockchain networks, enhancing interoperability and opening up new possibilities for decentralized applications. 8. Use cases and real-world applications. The success of any blockchain platform ultimately depends on its adoption and real-world applications. Ethereum has seen widespread adoption across various industries, including decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and tokenized assets. Its flexibility and established network effect have attracted developers and entrepreneurs to build innovative solutions on the platform. Cardano, although relatively newer, is making strides in sectors such as supply chain management, identity verification, and government services. With its emphasis on formal methods and security, Cardano aims to provide a reliable and scalable infrastructure for enterprise-level applications. 9. Community and future outlook. The strength of a blockchain platform lies in its community. Ethereum boasts a vibrant and active community of developers, enthusiasts, and entrepreneurs who continue to drive its growth and evolution. With the upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, the community is optimistic about the platform's scalability and long-term potential. Cardano, too, has a growing and passionate community that actively participates in the platform's development and governance. As Cardano continues to roll out upgrades and improvements, the community's support and engagement will play a crucial role in shaping its future. 9. Community and future outlook. The community surrounding a blockchain platform plays a crucial role in its success and long-term outlook. Let's take a closer look at the community and future outlook for both Cardano and Ethereum. Cardano has been steadily growing its community since its inception. The Cardano community consists of developers, enthusiasts, and stakeholders who are actively engaged in the platform's development, governance, and adoption. The community takes part in discussions, provides feedback, and collaborates on various initiatives to shape the future of Cardano. The community's dedication and involvement have contributed to the platform's growth and success. One of Cardano's notable features is its emphasis on community governance. Through on-chain voting and participation, ADA token holders have a say in the decision-making processes of the platform. This democratic approach to governance ensures that the community's voices are heard and enables a more inclusive and decentralized ecosystem. The active participation of the community strengthens the platform's resilience and ensures that it evolves in a direction that aligns with the interests and needs of its stakeholders. Looking ahead, Cardano has ambitious plans for its future. The platform is committed to continuing its research-driven approach to blockchain development, with a focus on formal methods, security, and scalability. Cardano's roadmap includes the rollout of major updates and improvements, such as the implementation of smart contract functionality through the Alonzo upgrade. This will open up new possibilities for developers and entrepreneurs to build decentralized applications on the Cardano platform. The Cardano community is eagerly anticipating the completion of these milestones and is actively engaged in supporting and promoting the platform's growth. With a strong emphasis on academic collaboration, peer-reviewed research, and partnerships with various organizations, Cardano aims to position itself as a reliable and secure blockchain platform that can cater to enterprise-level applications. Now let's shift our focus to Ethereum and its community. Ethereum has a vibrant and thriving community that has been instrumental in driving its growth and adoption. The Ethereum community consists of developers, entrepreneurs, investors, and enthusiasts who are passionate about the potential of decentralized applications and smart contracts. This community has contributed to the development of a vast ecosystem of projects and applications built on the Ethereum blockchain. The Ethereum community actively collaborates on improving the platform through the Ethereum Improvement Proposals (EIPs) process. EIPs allow community members to propose and discuss upgrades and changes to the Ethereum network. This inclusive and open approach to governance ensures that the community's ideas and expertise contribute to the evolution of the platform. Looking ahead, Ethereum is set to undergo a major transition with Ethereum 2.0. This upgrade aims to address the scalability issues of the current Ethereum network by transitioning to a proof-of-stake, polonium-2 sulfide, consensus mechanism. The Ethereum community is eagerly anticipating this upgrade, as it promises to significantly improve transaction throughput and reduce fees. This transition will also introduce new opportunities for community members to participate in securing the network and earning rewards through staking. Additionally, the Ethereum community is actively exploring various Layer 2 scaling solutions and advancements in Ethereum-compatible infrastructure to enhance the platform's capabilities. These efforts aim to ensure that Ethereum remains at the forefront of decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and other emerging sectors in the blockchain industry. In conclusion, Cardano and Ethereum are two prominent blockchain platforms that have made significant contributions to the world of decentralized applications and smart contracts. While Ethereum enjoys a strong network effect and a wide range of real-world applications, Cardano's scientific approach to blockchain development and focus on security sets it apart. Both platforms are actively working on scalability improvements, enhancing their smart contract capabilities, and fostering interoperability with other blockchain networks. The future of Cardano and Ethereum looks promising, and their success will depend on factors such as adoption, community support, and technological advancements. As the blockchain industry continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to witness the competition and collaboration between these two giants, as they shape the future of decentralized finance and the broader blockchain ecosystem.